How to write the English alphabet in an easy way.
The letter A. Let's start with uppercase A. Start at the top, slant down to the left, slant down to the right, and across. Lowercase a. Pull back, around up, then draw a line down. Fantastic work! A is for apple, airplane, ant, antelope, alligator. Uppercase B, pull down, back on the top, around in, back in the middle, and around in again. Lowercase b, pull down, go back to the middle, and draw a curved line to the bottom. Amazing writing! B is for ball, bear, B, bus, butterfly. Okay, let's move on to the next letter. The letter C. Uppercase C. From the top, pull back and around up. Lowercase c. Pull back in and around up. Thumbs up! C is for cow, car, cat, corn, caterpillar. Let's move on to the next letter. The letter D. Uppercase D. Pull down, back on top, and around in. Lowercase d. Pull back, around, up, back on top, and pull down. You're a winner! D is for dog, donut, duck, dolphin, dinosaur. The next letter is letter E. Uppercase E. Start from the top, pull down, across on the top, across in the middle, and across again below. Lowercase e. Across, pull back and around. Looking good! E is for eyes.